Orange marmalade got 4 points. Not everyone enjoy the bitter taste of orange marmalade, and it has a high sugar content which may be concern for health conscious. Malunggay chips got 5 points. A strong marketability. Patok ito sa mga consumers dahil sa mga nutritional na binibigay nito para sa mga tao, lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga snacks na masustansya. Vegetables production, which is Pechay, got 4 points. Consumers who values fresh and locally sourced produce. Ang Pechay is seasonal at sa cool weather lang ito nagiging productive sa pagtubo. And depende sa mga kakaharapin nilang challenges like sa pest and disease na maaaring makaapekto sa quality ng Pechay.
Availability of resources, it also 5 score for resource availability, showing that the materials needed in production are readily accessible and sustainable. 5 yun nilagay namin dyan kasi yung mga materials na gagamitin ay ready na at hindi na kami mahihirapan pa sa paggawa dahil common na itong crops na ito sa amin.
Orange marmalade, with its unique taste and versatility, can be marketed not only as a breakfast spread but also as an ingredient in various culinary applications such as desserts and marinades. But it was rated 4 out of 5 due to the changing customer preferences. The 5 out of 5 rating in perceived profitability for malunggay chips reflects the strong alignment with current customer trends towards health and wellness, sustainability, and innovative snacking options. The combination of health benefits, low production cost, and market demand positions malunggay chips as a highly profitable product in the snack food industry. This rating indicates not only a robust market potential but also the opportunity for sustained growth and success in both local and international markets. The 4 out of 5 rating in perceived profitability for Pechay reflects a strong potential for success, driven by high demand, short growth cycles, and low production cost. However, it also acknowledged the challenges posed by competition, pest vulnerabilities, and market price fluctuations.
The government might be giving more support to orange marmalade and Pechay because of the nutritional value of Pechay. It is a nutritious vegetable, and the government wants to promote healthy eating. And one thing more, it have an autonomic potential in orange marmalade and Pechay because it might have a good export potential or job creations, opportunities, and the local industry growth. The government might be want to boost the local agriculture and food processing industries. In malunggay chips, we give it 4 points. That because it might have a slightly less support in government, but it is still a valuable product with potential benefits.
Environmental considerations. We assess the environmental impact of each enterprise, including waste management and energy consumption. We evaluated environmental effects of each enterprise, focusing on waste management and energy source. Waste management, how waste is handled, reduced, and disposed. Energy consumption, how much energy is used, its source.
In key partnership, it involves collaborating with local farmers, suppliers, and distributors to source ingredients, enhances production, and expand market reach. For example is sa pakikipag-partnership sa local farmers na nagko-cultivate ng mga malunggay. It is to ensure a steady sustainable supply while also collaborating with distribution companies, syempre, para ma-expand yung sales sa supermarkets at health food stores. Sa cost structure, from the word cost, it refers to the expenses involved in producing and delivering the chips, including raw materials, production cost, packaging, and distribution. For example is yung fresh malunggay leaves, tsaka packaging ng malunggay chips that would contribute to the overall cost structure of the malunggay chips.
Revenue streams of malunggay chips, which is online sale. We sell our product through our social media accounts or any other online platforms. And second one is store sale. We sell it through the near market or in the canteen. And lastly is direct contact sales, which is we can directly sell it to our customer through face-to-face or personal connections. Nutrition of malunggay chips is nutritious. Our products are good for your health. Delicious, taste great, yes, and convenient. It is easy and accessible, especially to the near market or to your canteen, right? And then lastly is sustainable. Our product is good for the environment.
We can sell our product malunggay chips through different channels, the direct sales and marketing online. Online platform, in this new generation, gadgets and social media is important for businesses. It is an easy and effective way to connect with the consumer. You can share or post it in different platforms like Facebook to encourage them to buy our product. While in direct sales, we have sell stock, participate in local events and pop-up shops or stores. In sales stock, to directly talk the consumer to buy malunggay chips. While in participating in local market, community events, and festival, other people in different places who will join the festival or events will know about our product. Setting up temporary stall in university campuses to showcase our product at the students.
Key resources. Nakapaloob ang raw materials na ginagamit sa key resources tulad ng malunggay leaves, production equipment, skills label, distribution channel, tsaka brand reputation. For example, including reliable suppliers of malunggay leaves and packaging materials. Customer relationship. Nakapokus ang BMC customer relationship sa pagbuo at tiwala sa mga customer through personalized marketing, quality product assurance, and fostering community engagement. Be held conscious messaging and sustainable practices. For example, pay offer ng mga discounts or distribution options sa mga regular customer para ma-stranded yung customer relationship.
Customer segments: teenagers, healthy snack for growth and development; household customers, convenient healthy snack for families; government organizations, support nutrition and sustainable food; K activities, branding, highlights health benefits and unique features; food processing, transform malunggay leaves into crispy chips; quality control, ensure safety, nutrition, and taste.